The 2025 Ford Explorer has long been a favorite among SUV enthusiasts for its spacious interior, strong performance, and reliable handling. In 2025, it takes on an exciting new role with motorhome conversions that transform this well-loved SUV into a compact and capable adventure-ready vehicle. While the Explorer isn't a traditional motorhome, innovative conversions are making it a surprisingly practical choice for travelers who want to explore the open road with the comforts of home in a more nimble and fuel-efficient package. At the heart of the 2025 Ford Explorer motorhome is a refined balance between everyday drivability and weekend escape functionality. The SUV maintains its sleek exterior design, characterized by bold lines, a modern front fascia, and LED lighting that gives it a commanding presence on the road. Thanks to its midsize platform, the Explorer can navigate urban streets and tight camping areas with ease, something larger RVs often struggle with. This makes it a fantastic option for those who want a daily driver that can also double as a camper when needed. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Explorer offers two main powertrain options. The standard 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4 engine delivers around 300 horsepower and is well-suited for fuel-conscious travelers. For those needing more power, especially when tackling hilly terrain or towing additional gear, the available 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 boosts output to around 400 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful setups in the midsize SUV category. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and the option for all-wheel drive, the Explorer performs admirably on highways and light off-road conditions alike. Its towing capacity of up to 5,600 pounds allows for small trailers, boats, or gear haulers to accompany you on your journey. What truly sets the motorhome conversion apart is the smart use of space inside. The interior of the 2025 Explorer can be customized in a variety of ways to suit the needs of modern nomads. In many popular builds, the third-row seats are removed entirely to make way for a compact living setup. This typically includes a foldable or fixed bed that can comfortably sleep two people, a pull-out kitchenette equipped with a portable induction cooktop, a mini-fridge, and a small sink connected to a freshwater tank. The second-row seats can be modified or folded flat to increase storage or serve as a lounging area. Additional touches like built-in cabinets, underbed storage drawers, and modular furniture ensure that every inch of space is utilized effectively. Some custom versions even include a pop-up roof or rooftop tent, expanding headroom and allowing for an extra sleeping berth ideal for families or groups of three. For those who prioritize tech and convenience, many conversions integrate solar panels on the roof to keep house batteries.